Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing Verity by Colin Hoover, and this book is certainly the best from the author so far. Verity follows the story of Loven Ashley, a struggling writer who is given an incredible opportunity to work with a famous author named Verity Crawford. Verity, once a best selling author of romantic thrillers, is now bedridden after a car accident that left her physically paralyzed and unable to communicate. Loven is hired to finish Verity's book series and help complete the remaining novels. When Loven arrives at Verity's home to go through the material she has been provided with, she discovers a manuscript that reveals shocking secret about Verity's life. As Loven becomes more immersed in Verity's world, she starts uncovering dark truth about the author, her family, and the mysterious events surrounding Verity's accident. Lowen's journey to understand Verity's story becomes a twisted game of deception, trust, and betrayal. As Lowen navigates her relationship with Verity's husband, Jeremy, the lines between right and wrong become blurred. Throughout the novel, Lowen is forced to make difficult decisions that changes her own moral and beliefs. What starts as a professional task quickly turns into an emotional charge and suspenseful ride that keeps the readers on edge. Now let's explore the theme of the book. One of the central theme of Verity is the question of trust. Lowen is put into a situation where she must decide who she can trust. Verity, whose action and intentions seem unclear, or Jeremy, whose deep love for his wife blind him to some of the darker side of Verity's personality. Throughout the novel, trust is constantly tested, and the characters are forced to confront the complexities of their relationships. This theme resonates deeply with the reader, as it reflects the difficulty of navigating personal and professional relationships in a world where things are not always what they seem. Another significant theme is the concept of morality. As Lowen uncovers more about Verity's life and actions, she grapples with her own moral compass. Should she reveal the truth to Jeremy, even if it could destroy his life? Can someone who has done terrible things still be redeemed? These questions challenges the reader to think about what is right and wrong and whether the truth is always worth pursuing. Family dynamics and lengths people will go to protect their loved ones is another theme that explores in Verity. The relationships between characters, particularly the marriage between Verity and Jeremy, is complex and layered. The novel delves into how love, jealousy, and guilt can shape the decision we make, sometimes lead us down a dark and dangerous path. Colin Hoover's writing style is simple and very easy to understand, which makes it beginner friendly. She uses a blend of suspenseful storytelling, deep emotional insight, and moments of tenderness to create a narrative that is thrilling. The novel is written in a first person perspective from Lowen's point of view, which allows readers to experience her emotions and thoughts directly. Verity by Colin Hoover is a combination of elements like suspense, romance, and psychological thriller. The novel's twists and turns will keep readers hooked. I'm giving this book a 3-star rating. There are other books by Colin Hoover which I'll be reviewing in near future, so stay tuned for that. Get Your Verity by Colin Hoover. You can buy the book on Amazon. The link is in description box. Do check that out as well.